Welcome everybody. In this video, I'm going to show you how to mint your NFTs for free on Mintable. Now, as you can see, the website we're using to mint our NFTs for free is Mintable.app. Now, once you go there, this is the website you will see. As you can see, completely free to mint your NFTs. Turn anything into an item on the blockchain. Now, most of you would be clicking Start Minting Now first, but I suggest you to go and click the sign up button in the top right first. Now, what you're going to do here is enter a username, an email, confirm your email, enter a password, and then tick these two boxes that you agree to the terms of service and the privacy policy, and whether they should or should not send you newsletters and emails. So tick these, enter your username, say, oh, go, and then enter an email, a password, and create your account. Once I'm done with that, I'll be back. Just a sec. Now that I've signed up, the Mintable website wants me to connect my wallet. Link your wallet and account for a better browsing experience. The wallet you need to connect to Mintable in order to mint your NFTs for free is a MetaMask wallet. I have mine, which is a browser extension. As you can see here, you can then import using your recovery phrase or enter the password you have to set to unlock your wallet. Click unlock. Now this will prompt your MetaMask wallet to be unlocked, which looks like this. Now click MetaMask over here on the Mintable website. This will open up the notification that asks you to connect with MetaMask, Mintable app, the account within your MetaMask wallet that you want to connect. Click next, and now click connect the account to my wallet. There we go. That's my wallet address. Click link to account. Now enter your username and password. Click login. Not now. And there you can see how to global sign in with your wallet. You can even sign. You will link this wallet to this username, and no other user can have this address on their account. There we go. Click link account. Done. So this username and this wallet address are now linked. So click done. Now, as you can see in the top right, we have finally signed in to our Mintable account. Our balance on our wallet is 0. You can click open wallet. In order to open your wallet, as you can see here, the total balance is 0. This is important for you once you sell your NFTs on here. You will see your total balance in Ethereum and USD over here. Now you can change your profile, dashboard, you can see your messages, settings, and logout. You can create a store in order to sell your minted NFTs. You can read the Mintable blog, suggest a feature, and help and support. Now what we're here for, as you can see, this is my account, my NFTs, my earnings, stores, and all this. Now you want to go back to the website, and now once you scroll down, you can see there are a bunch of different NFTs on here. There's collectibles, as you can see, trending NFTs, the Santa one. Now, in order to mint our NFT for free, we click Start Minting Now. Now, does your item already exist? The NFT is already in my wallet, which would mean that you have actually minted it on some other platform, let's say OpenSea. That way, you can then extract the metadata and all the other info and then insert it over here on the left. Or you create a new item, which is what we're here for. We want to mint our NFT for free. So click the right one. Now, traditional or gasless. We want to create a new item. No transaction fee, completely free. Exactly what we want. So click that. The next step would be to finally create your NFT. Now you want to say what kind of item are you making, listing title, a listing subtitle, then add an image or several, a video or GIFs, attach a private file or unlockable content, which is great, add an item description, transfer copyright when purchased, price and type, you can do fixed, auction, buy now, enter the price in Ethereum or dollars, and then you can list this item. Now let's do that then. Let's say we have an artwork. We now have to add a subcategory. Let's say this is visual art. Listing title will be Little Whale. Listing subtitle, minting this NFT for free. Now you want to add your picture. As you can see, the first preview image you upload will be displayed on all wallets as token image. Now what you want to do is upload your image. There we go. Now, as you can see, this is the main image of your NFT on the blockchain. There you go. Now attach private file or unlockable content. If you tick this, you can now add items, maybe audio, video, image, files, zip documents, and many more. So let's say this NFT would be a secret invite to your created game beta. So you have a closed beta, and anyone that buys this NFT will get the key in order to access the private beta. You can then upload the beta invite over here, and once someone gets this NFT in their wallet, they have the key and can access your game, which is absolutely cool, which is like it's pretty much a ticket, so to speak, and there's only one person that can have this at a time. You can tick that if you want that, then enter an item description. Let's do the same as the listing subtitle. There you go. Now, the next step that's important is transfer copyright when purchased. As you can see, when a buyer purchases this item, they have the rights to use the file commercially. Tick this, because that's the norm in the NFT space. But you can also untick this, and then you keep the commercial rights and the copyright to this NFT, even though you've sold it. But most of the people will sell the copyright with the NFT itself. That's pretty much the gist of it and why people sell NFTs in this space. Now price and type, let's do price. Let's say we want 0.1 Ethereum, which is currently $423 for our NFT. We can also do this in dollars, which would be, let's say, $400, close to this amount, say 0.1 again. And now below here, you can see authenticity, item scanned. The Mintable website scans your uploaded NFT so that they make sure it's unique content and not copyrighted anywhere else. We determined the authenticity of this NFT item by scouting the internet for similar images posted on different websites. Please check the URL links below before purchasing this item. Now, as you can see, you can then partially matching and visually similar images. You can then click on these and see if these match your NFT that you want to mint in any shape or form, but mostly don't, because as you can see, websites not found. So it's are designed and my copyrighted image. What you want to do next would be click list this item, and you have successfully minted your NFT for free on Mintable. I hope this video could help you out. If it did, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.